Hello everyone, it's Hanny. I haven't been crafting now for a few months now, and I thought, let's go in my craft room. I haven't been there for weeks. Yes, just to take some stuff out to declutter, and well, it's gone. My well, whatever. It's just gone, and well, I thought, let's sit in my craft room and just tell you that I'm not very much crafting anymore at the moment. Only when I go to my friend, I take some stuff with me, and then we craft together. But I'm finishing loose ends. I have several projects lying around. Several journals and, well, thingies I was making, and I thought, well, let's finish them. And well, I like that. That's once a month, and well, I don't do anything crafty with my journal stuff, so it's not much to record or make a video of. So I thought I want to let you know that I'm not quitting. I want to craft, but well, I'm a bit tired of well, not making videos, but making a lot videos, do a lot of crafting, and I have a few Facebook groups, and those groups are growing and growing and growing, and I'm so busy with that, and well, I'm getting a bit older, I guess. I'm tired of all those things, and it's too much. It's taking a lot of time, and I like crafting, but not as a, how do you call that? Not as a that I have to. I just want to craft when I like to, you know, and I want to share that with you. So maybe I will make a few videos in the future, but well, not a lot, I think. But maybe it changes again, because I'm a very odd person. Because sometimes I don't know if I can explain that in English, but I have my low times and I have my high times. Sometimes I have a lot of energy, well, a lot, but for me it's a lot of energy, and then I'm doing all kinds of things, and I want to discover, and I want to I don't know the word. Uitvinden, we call it in Dutch. To invent, it's an easy word. To invent things and to try things, and well, I go to thrift stores and I see all kinds of things, and I can do that with that, and I can use that, and oh, that's beautiful, I want to use that, and well, I'm very busy in my head then, and I want to do anything, and then I can make videos, and then I well, it's a piece of cake then. But when I'm in my low period, well, everything is heavy, and then it's a burden on my back to make videos, to craft, to whatever. So I decided, well, just follow my instinct, follow my guts, whatever. When I'm into crafting, oh sorry, I have that on the camera, on the webcam, when I'm not using it. Maybe it's a bit silly, but I do. Well, what was I saying? I don't know anymore. Well, I hope you get the picture. I will make videos when I'm up to. I will craft when I'm up to. and when I'm not, well, I won't. And I'm sorry for my followers. I'm very sorry for all those very it's difficult English. Well, for all my subscribers who are very, well, always looking at my videos. Well, I'm sorry, and I appreciate very much. I have more than 11,000 subscribers now. It's still growing, and I'm very thankful. And I wanted to do a giveaway, and maybe I do. Well, I'm tired. I'm just tired a bit, and well, I wanted to let you know. I know it's a very odd video, this video, but well, it is what it is, and I am who I am, and I love you all, and well, I will see you again. I'm not quitting. I'm not well, I keep my my YouTube channel, and I keep my Facebook groups, I think, because it's eating a lot of time, and I don't have anyone to help me, so people are a bit well, they will want to help, but not on a regular basis. So when I need help, I can ask, and some people will help me. But and thank you for that. Thank you very much for that. And because I had a tough year, and Sunny Cruiser was helping me a lot, and I thank her for that. And well, at this moment, it's quiet. There are a few issues in my private life, but I manage. It's not bad, not very bad yet, and it won't be bad. I promise. I hope. Well, oops. Sorry. Well, I think I quit this video. I said what I wanted to say, and thank you for watching, and thank you for staying with me. And I will be back. I don't know when, but I will be back. Bye.